Greetings, folks, and welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tips with Tim. I'm Tim King with Offix Lynchburg, and today we're going to talk about postage and meter equipment. Did you know that Offix has a wider range of mailing and finishing equipment? I bring it up today because a lot of companies don't realize the advantages of going with an automated or semi-automated postage meter system. If a company is sending out bills to customers or putting a lot of accounts payable or receivable in the mail, oftentimes they're going to the post office, they're picking up stamps, and then they're having to put each stamp on each individual envelope, wasting a lot of time and convenience. Whereas with a semi-automated postage meter system, this device can add the postage as well as seal the envelope so that all you're having to do is stick it in the mailbox. Now, this doesn't make sense for organizations that are maybe sending 3 to 5 pieces of mail a week, but for those that are sending a lot of bills or putting a lot of paper in the mail, it's definitely worth looking into. In addition to our postage meters, Offix also offers a wide range of folders and inserters. These are great for churches that are folding their bulletins or nonprofits that are sending out a lot of campaign mail. Maybe they're doing a couple campaigns each year asking for donations around the holidays, or if they have a capital campaign that's maybe due during the summer months and they're sending out large bulk mail, then the folder inserter is a phenomenal product for your organization. If you'd like to learn more about Offix's postage meter offering or folder inserters, as well as our other finishing options, reach out to your local Offix representative today. As always, for questions or suggestions, reach out to marketing@offix.com. That's marketing@offix.com. Make sure you like and follow our socials, and I'll see you next week on Tuesday Tips with Tim.